Dogecoin, Doge, sort of is a mineable coin that by and large is at present exchanged at $0.06173 per unit, with the market capitalization of $8,719,267.02, that in every practical sense makes it a mid-position digital currency, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Computerized resources like Dogecoin have currently turned into the point of convergence of consideration for the most part retail financial backers and examiners. Yet additionally for truly enormous institutional financial backers who truly see Dogecoin and the remainder of digital currencies as a really successful support against expansion that takes a kind of weighty cost for the worldwide economy, or so they in every practical sense thought. In this way, having essentially a piece of the portfolio gave to crypto is basically an unquestionable requirement for any dealer and financial backer who truly needs to develop his abundance over the approaching 10 years in a by and large significant manner in fact. In any case, with it in every way that really matters comes the need to intently fundamentally follow the improvements on the expressed market to grasp what is going on and generally have some feeling representing things to come in a sort of significant manner. This Dogecoin cost expectation model essentially was made to assist the peruser with exploring through the quickly advancing crypto space, fundamentally track down the best coins or tokens to put resources into, and especially keep the value bend developing, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Be that as it may, prior to digging into the overall Dogecoin examination and cost forecast, we might want to help you to remember the very fundamental guidelines of digital currency exchanging and venture a genuinely large way. So, how about we center around the Dogecoin market, its really current standings, as well as the mid-term and in every practical sense, long-haul cost expectation that explicitly depends on the readings of our exceptionally restrictive crypto unpredictability record, CVIX, or so they fundamentally thought. As of now, the cost of Dogecoin especially remains at $0.06173, and this sort of specific computerized resource for the most part stands firm on the 11th footing in the worldwide digital currency positioning in every way that really matters in opposition to mainstream thinking. For sort of your data, the positioning of each and every cryptographic money truly is vigorously dependent on its genuinely current market capitalization and cost, and generally is determined by duplicating these two factors, something that our framework continually does to supply you with the most state-of-the-art data on the resource being referred to. Likewise, to truly get a superior explicitly handle of the market circumstance and figure out the really broad heading of the pattern, or to enlist its non-appearance, it's likewise critical to in every practical sense dissect the verifiable cost information pertinent to the market under survey in an unobtrusive manner. Yesterday, on October 1st, the cost of Dogecoin remained at $0.062141 at the end of the very day-to-day exchanging meeting, which is a 0.54% contrast when contrasted with the extremely current cost 7 days prior, on September 25th. The Dogecoin market generally remained at $0.060736 as the consequence of the endeavors of all market members. As the outcome, the cost explicitly moved by 0% comparable to its current standing. A month prior, on September 2nd, Dogecoin in a real sense was evaluated at $0.0638881, which by and large concurred with our cost expectation for that specific period, which certainly is very critical. Contrasted with the current place of Dogecoin, it addresses a 3.37% cost move, certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. At the point when it especially comes to digital currencies, market capitalization serves significantly more as a mark of the coin's offer or predominance, in contrast with the remainder of the market. Alongside its general prominence with the worldwide crypto local area and financial backers in a sort of significant manner. Numerous digital money merchants view market capitalization as a kind of key pointer to especially be considered prior to settling on exchanging choices, which explicitly is very huge. It in a real sense is determined by duplicating the truly all-out number of coins that in a real sense are as of now available for use, circling supply, by the all things considered, current cost of Dogecoin, which, as currently referenced, by and by sort of stands at $0.061730 in a for the most part significant manner. Considering that equation, we truly have determined the genuinely current market capitalization of Dogecoin to be at $8,719,267.02, which legitimizes its place as the 11th coin among those present on the digital money market, showing that this Dogecoin cost expectation model generally was made to assist the peruser with exploring through the quickly advancing crypto space. Certainly track down the in a real sense the best coins or tokens to put resources into and really keep the value bend developing, which truly is genuinely huge. Yesterday, on October 1st, the market capitalization of Dogecoin for the most part remained at $8.775 833 319. Keep going week. On September 25th, the exceptionally aggregate sum of in every practical sense capital committed to Dogecoin was laid out at $8.572 511 850 win. The information from a month prior, enlisted on September 2nd. Certainly shows that Dogecoin sort of had a market capitalization of $8.996 600 9092, extremely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Absolute stockpile focuses to the quantity of coins that basically have proactively been mined, printed, or generally made, and basically are either coursing available or secured and engineers or alternately holders by, and large cool wallets. Or so they explicitly thought. The especially complete stockpile likewise considers any coins that truly have been singed, put unavailable for general use, to keep a sound expansion rate. It can sort of measure up to the quantity of extraordinary portions of an organization that in every practical sense is public on the financial exchange in an all things considered huge way. The in every practical sense complete stock of Dogecoin as of now remains at 141 249 266 384 Doge, or so they generally thought. As currently made sense of, the flowing stockpile is the most ordinarily involved essentially metric for deciding a market capitalization of a cryptographic money being referred to in an exceptionally significant manner. It compares with practically the best estimate of the general number of coins that are public on digital currency trades and generally add to their liquidity, which especially is genuinely critical. Their volume doesn't actually incorporate the coins that sort of are vested, marked in essentially shrewd agreements, secured in computerized wallets, or most certainly put unavailable for general use. The flowing inventory basically will be fundamentally what might be compared to the drifting stock of offers in the financial exchange, which generally is genuinely huge. At the present time, the circling supply of Dogecoin by and large is assessed at 141 249 266 384 Doge, or so they generally thought. Furthermore, the perusing of exchanging volume can in a real sense assist one with deciding commonly better section and leave focuses in light of the fact that as per the standards of specialized examination, huge cost moves, pattern inversions, or unions frequently in a real sense happen at the cost levels that especially are joined by generally genuinely high volume, since those sort of are the volumes where enormous cash really had in every way that really matters become possibly the most important factor, fundamentally in opposition to mainstream thinking. As per our information, the exchanging volume on the Dogecoin market certainly was as per the following. Over the beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with the Dogecoin market generally added up to $278,488 105, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Yesterday, on October 1st, the exceptionally normal volume at the end of the exchanging meeting saw